It's like everything around me looks a little great. Ever since you found out, worry about my brain. I just need a time out.
Hi you guys. So I am gonna get ready because hubby and I are gonna go out to Far East because they are doing a content creator network thing and I'm nervous.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one.
Real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, now you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want is really that important. You've been on my mind and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh.
If I had not like this, I'll make a big thing like this. I charge people $10 to ride a horse.
Like a petting zoo?
Yep.
You would do a petting zoo if you had a big land like this?
Yeah. Big petting zoo. Or a dog park for dogs. $10 per dogs.
What about owners?
$20.
It is a new day. It is the next day actually. So last night we hung out with my family and there was a lot of drinking, but I was pretty sober. Yeah, I was pretty sober to be honest, which was good because I had to drive home, which is perfectly fine, and I didn't want to drink as much anyways, but I'm tired.
I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile.
Pick up some miss.
But I think the one for
Your hand blocking, you silly. Do this.
And then
Who tell you?
Backpack, take a country, don't move all the way to Chiang Mai. If I do that, I cannot get, for some reason, I can't get the Singapore airline. So I have to look for LA to Chiang Mai, and then I can find a Singapore airline in that flight. And then I have to book that.
That sounds good. Being too bad.
I am finally home, and the first thing I did was check my little book stand, little bookcase thingy that I have right next to my bed, and I hate myself because I would just show you guys. So this is book 7, right, from my Dress Up Darling, which I love. Earlier I went to Barnes & Noble and I got book 7 again. Did not know that I had it at home. So I gotta return one of these now. Annoyed of myself. Okay. Anyways, I'm excited to read this because I've been waiting forever. People always tell me, Sunny, just read Jujutsu Kaisen online. But I don't want to read it online. I want to read it in person because I have the whole series already, basically. Thank goodness this girl gave me the receipt because, shoot, I gotta go return my Dress Up Darling. Maybe I go with Barnes & Noble again tomorrow. Oh, maybe I could do an exchange for another book or another manga. We're gonna watch Demon Slayer since Sunday. A new episode every Sunday. And look, this little puppy boy here. I am gonna end my night with Haikyuu. And I am gonna read my Dress Up Darling as well. And I'm gonna play Candy Crush on my iPad. And yes, it looks like a notebook, but really, trying to open it. It's just my iPad. Okay. Hope you guys like this vlog. Please subscribe, share. Thanks. Peace.
Baby, you're so fine, baby, you're so fine.